gripping working. Upright, hands side to side, squeezing armpits, then dropping side. Chest will be forward, bending knees, couple of inches, go back. Tense core, glute squeeze, and back. Up, back, lift, back. Up holding, little shift forward, pelvis more now lifting. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, go back and sit again. Little up again, shift forward, big lift. 4, 3, 2, 1, go back to mat. Last set. You can do always that small one, not big lifting. You can do this lifting lowering or shift forward and up. Keep tummy in, tummy not popping. Go back to mat. So for anyone, if shoulders good, fingertips towards your pelvis on the back. Not just right behind of pelvis, little on the side. Right leg, left leg. So you need to use those heels. Again, little bit and go back. Tiny bit and back. Tense core lift and back. If you can do more, you digging down your heels. Go back to mat. 2 more. Little or more. Using full legs, full arms, glutes, back muscles. Reverse plank. Go back to mat. Next one, more exciting. Up and holding. Can you lift one foot? Lower. Other one. Lower. Go back to mat. You can lift less. Even that's big job for your back muscles, arms, shoulders. And if you can lift more, you can lift leg more up and lower. Up and lower. Go back to big difference. Now, can we hold little? 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Right leg up, hold. 3, 2, 1. Lower. Left one up. 3, 2, 1. Lower. You're using your heels too. Digging down. Your ankles working crazy when you do that. Then more up. Right leg, left leg. Up, hold. 3, 2, 1. Lower. Other one. Up. 3, 2, 1. Lower. Go back to mat.